This video will show you how to clean your ULTIMA printer. Firstly, on the touchscreen, press the clean icon, which is at the bottom right hand of the LCD display. Then press Print Engine. The on-screen instructions will prompt you to open the door at the front of the printer unit and remove the die film cassettes. Ensure this is done before going any further. Next, remove the card input hopper and click the Next arrow on the touchscreen. The screen will instruct you to insert one of the cleaning cards. Insert a cleaning card into the slot as shown. The printer will slowly eject the card once it has finished. At this point, flip the card over and reinsert to ensure a thorough clean. Next, power off the printer using the power button to the left of the touchscreen. Using one of the electronic cleaning swabs included in your cleaning kit, clean the ULTIMA's printhead as shown. Finally, using an electronic cleaning wipe, reach in and thoroughly clean the printer roller like this. Your ULTIMA is now clean.